What advice would you give to a parent who is dealing with this reality that they have a child with disability?
So one thing I would say is not give up. I was in Varanasi last week and the mother just told me, मैंने सारी आशा छोड़ दी, given up all hope. And that I told her, you can't do. You cannot do it. I don't know about anybody else, but you cannot do it. It's not easy. It's only a journey that a parent of a child with disability can understand. But treating the child as equally as you could makes all the difference. All the years that we've seen children doing very well is when their parents have said, I don't care. I mean, I'm just going to let my child travel on their own. I'm just going to let my child go to school. I'm just going to it's okay. I have my fear. I am scared, but I'm going to let my child do that.